Today I will show you the samples of the Sweet Chocolate Journey collection from Fluffy Tori. My name is Joelle and you're watching Fluffy Tori, the channel where I try to show you that everybody can be kawaii. And I do video on Mondays and Thursdays, so if you're new here, please consider subscribing. And now let's go with the review of all the samples that we have and see you at the end of the video for full detail on my coordinate. So, as you may know, I'm the owner of the brand Fluffy Tori, and we have had a lot of trouble producing our second and third collections that we have designed almost like 2 years ago. And we have only produced one collection, that is Sweet Dream Carousel, that I'm wearing right now. And so what we decided to do is that instead of sending just drawings of our clothes to the factory and hoping that they do good quality, we have made the samples here in Switzerland. And now we have almost all the samples for this collection, and I'm shipping it all today to the factory. But I didn't want to ship it all without showing everything to you guys. So basically I will show you everything that is done, and you'll see beautiful stuff and you'll see weird stuff and things that I want to change. Yep. So basically this is a Sweet Chocolate Journey. This collection was first inspired by Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory and Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. So this is like the candy world that you see inside of the Chocolate Factory. And we also got inspired to draw this with Wreck-It Ralph and the Sugar Rush Land. So yeah, this was our inspiration, and our fantastic artist is called Mezzo, and I will link to her website down there, so if you want to check out other work than what she did for Fluffy Tori. So basically this collection has two colorways: Day, which is this one, which is mint and pink, my two favorite colors. And we have also the night colorway, that is lavender, purple and navy. And what we decided to do is that I produced a big roll of day colorway that I got here to make the samples, and now I've ordered night colorway to ship to the factory, and she will do all the sample in the night colorway. So basically we have already reviewed some of this. You have seen a while ago just a skirt, and so I will not go in full length for the skirt, but basically also you can see that this fabric is a little bit too heavy, really thick cotton. So people really like that it's cotton and not cheap polyester, and actually I went a little bit overboard and took too high quality cotton, and it's way too thick, it doesn't fall well, and it might be way too warm also to wear. But anyways, so basically this is the main design. We will change here the buttons with bigger ones like these, and we have small pom-poms here, and here we have small pom-poms and bigger pom-poms. At first we wanted to do our custom lace with really like drops of chocolate, and it was not really possible to do, so we decided to have this to be like chocolate dripping something. So this is a Peter Pan color, and on the back we have adjustable straps, shearing, and also I think that this ribbon is a little bit too thin. I will make a little thicker for the final production, and also do these here in the real in this fabric instead of ribbon. I think it will be sturdier. And also we have a zip here, and of course we do have pockets, yes, and a second pocket, two pockets. And something that is really important is that the waist is stretchable, because I've seen in several dresses that they have shearing in the back, but not in the waist, so what's the point? So yep, basically this is it. So this one and the OP are supposed to have a belt, but I'm not satisfied with both belt designs that I had. So those two have different closure and shearing, which is not the worst part, but two different bows, and I don't really like the shape of the bow, and the fabric isn't the exact match because I was in a fabric store when I bought it and I did not have many options, so this is a problem. So anyways, those are just samples, so we can always change the color. But right now what we will need to do is find a different shape and make a belt that we like really something cute, and I'm not happy about any of those. I don't know, maybe they need to be a little bit rounder and cuter, and this one is too small, this one is too flat. Yeah. Anyways, so belt we will redo, and I will not ship it. And so this I will ship. This is the JSK. And you might see on my head something super weird. It's a hat that we have done because when we first designed this collection, we wanted to have hats. So this is supposed to be a small top hat, but it looks like an oversized small top hat. So we used that in the Japanese fashion show, and in the fashion show last year we actually had a crown that I had made out of real candy. I will link to the video if you want to see this crazy project that I did with real candy. It was awesome, but it broke several times and I cannot use it anymore. Anyways, I had never planned to sell the candy crown. This was maybe to be an accessory for the collection and sell it, but I don't know, I'm not super happy about it either, and it was super expensive and long to make, so I don't know if we can do that. But we also have a big like top hat, regular top hat, because on this collection we also have blazers and a vest that will show you, and OG pants, so we wanted to do boy style with the top hat. So you will see more of this collection later, and of course when I get the top hat I will definitely show it to you. But tell me what you think. Is it like too big like that? Actually I can feel that it's too heavy and it's making my head fall, and I get a Alice in Wonderland Mad Hatter vibe here, which is not bad for actually that print. I like it, but maybe it's a little bit too OTT. Let me know what you think of the hat. Should we tone it down, make it smaller, or do you like this OTT hat? Anyways, let's go to the OP. So the OP you've seen in the Japanese fashion show. It has long sleeves and it closes here in the front. Do you remember the dress from Veruca Salt in the Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory? This is the kind of dress we got inspired to make these. So on the back we have the color that continues, and also shearing in the back. Same here. Yeah, we want the thing to pass through the ribbon to go through like this. I think it's better. Yep, and basically, yeah, that's the same print, the same bottom, and yep, those buttons here and here. I don't know if you can see, but it's actually very light blue pom-poms, and I want the white one, but it was an error when I bought it, but it's not that terrible. So yeah, it will do for this sample. And also this one has the belts that we will have to redo. And the skirt that I've shown you already. Nothing special on this skirt. Also, I think it's very simple. I realized that we did not plan, of course, a belt on this one, but should we put a bow or something on it? Something maybe. Also, yeah, I didn't tell you, but the OP also has pockets, of course, and also the skirt, I think it's only one pocket. Where is it? Yep, it's here. Only one pocket, because on the other side we have the zip and it was not that practical. So at least one pocket is better than nothing. And last one that I wanted to show you is this vest. Actually, we had designed a different vest, different kind of shape, and the girl that made the skirt, also she said, oh, I have the pattern for a vest that I did at school, so let's use this one. And so the buttons were a little bit placed differently, but I was, yeah, why not? But when I put it on the mannequin, I could see it's very too long here, and so it crushes the skirt, and yeah, it's not a pretty shape for Lolita. Maybe it's pretty if you were wearing jeans or something like that, but yeah. The shape is totally off, so we'll have to redo it completely. Well, actually it was not a bad design, it's just the shape doesn't work for a collection or anything. So in the back you can make it tight here with this, and so this one has pink pom-poms, which I think is super cute with the mint. What do you think? Do you think we should have white pom-poms here, or do you think the pink ones are okay? And here I thought that the white buttons were a little bit too plain, considering also they are just white stars, so maybe I thought pink buttons would be cute, or even candy shaped buttons. What do you think? Of course, with this collection we have two pins that I will show you here. We have the Oreo style Fluffy Tori candy pin, and we have the lollipop pin, and those I still have a few, and they are available on our website if you want to buy them. And on this collection we also have the tights. They're also a mint version of those tights, and they're like chocolate dripping tights, and they are super cute with anything Sweet Lolita or even Fairy Care or anything. So I really wanted to show you everything that we had sample wise for this collection, because I'm not sure in how many weeks I will see them again, and I really wanted to show you that I am not stuck with the Fluffy Tori. I've been working hard when you've not seen any updates, but this is it. And today is a big step because I'm shipping everything for sample making. So next time you will see these, you will see the night colorways, and you will see those new collection. And so actually I changed the fabric to a lighter one, and I'm looking forward to see if it's good or not. And so I will of course show you the samples in a video made from the factory, and then you will be able to tell us if you think we should change anything before you go to production and you can finally order yours. So I would like to remind you that on our Fluffy community on Patreon there is an option to be in the super top secret Fluffy Tori advisory board, where you could actually give your ideas for future releases, you can vote on the things to change, you can see all the new designs when we come up with them, and you will see all the different ideas that have not been shown to anyone else. This is your chance. If you're really a Fluffy Tori fan, I suggest you that you consider being part of that tier in the Fluffy community on Patreon. Of course, the link is down below. So today I'm wearing Fluffy Tori, and this is a blouse from Bodyline, and this is a Sweet Chocolate Journey hat, and a bow from 6% Doki Doki, and this is from Fluffy Tori, and this is from Atelier 17, and this is handmade by my friend Aurélie, and those are Fluffy Tori wrist cuffs with our own lace, and you can see the T in our lace. And I'm wearing Fluffy Tori pins. So this one is one of the pony from the Sweet Dream Carousel, and this one is the new Kawaii Tilai Dye Fluffy Bird, Sweet Fluffy Bird. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and have a fluffy day, and remember, everybody can be kawaii. Bye!